Hello viewer, we are using the different designs. I will take a circular shape there. Again I will take it. Let's have a new shape. Keep on generating the designs there. Let's make the other one. There I have a new shape. So we will generate it. Again I will have a new design there using a paint.